Alright guys, so today I don't really have much going on. I'm basically going to take off this flaking tint. It just keeps coming off, and it's pretty gross because it's getting all inside of the car, the flakes. But so far, these little door checks right here, or door straps, I bought them, but I lost them. So I bought some nice ones off that blue CRX, the first blue one that I seen, the HF, and actually a subscriber of mine, that was his car, so that was very unfortunate. Yeah, I bought them off of that one. Both of them were in really nice condition, and I lost them, so I can't find them. I'm looking everywhere. So besides that, I was gonna change that out, but can't do that. Second thing is Integra floor mats. Pretty much. Let me make some adjustments to the camera. Hold up. Alright, so you can probably see better. Integra floor mats are coming in clutch. They kind of fit around those levers right there, but I'm stepping on it because it doesn't clear the dead pedal, but you can throw them in anything. I have these in the F-150 and I have them right here, and yeah, just pretty filthy junkyard mats, but they're coming in pretty good. Second off, 99-cent store seat covers, and they're about a week old and I already messed it up. Looks very nice, I think, but what sucks is that, let me take this off, there's still bare metal right under that, and when your elbow goes into that, yeah, no cushion. So that's what kind of sucks. But besides that, they look pretty damn good, if you'll ask me. So these were actually like $5.99 at the 99-cent store, go figure. But best of all about these is that airbag. Yep, they have airbags. So let's go around back. So yeah, so that's one thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna clean up the windows, and I'm also going to clean up all this junk right here because I've just been storing stuff back here. I got this from the junkyard. It's all original, all nice and everything. I'm not sure if you've seen this already or if the video is gonna come out of me getting it, so we'll just gotta see on that. And I gotta throw out all these rags and stuff. It looks like right here somebody started to take off the tint, but they just gave up midway. This door panel, so shot right here, looks so bad. So probably this is gonna be the first thing I'm gonna do right now. And as you can see, it's just filthy. Everything in this whole side, it's just filthy. So that's why there's just gonna be a lot of cleaning. The first thing to do, take off the door panel. There's going to be one Phillips right here, which is already removed from the previous people. There's going to be another Phillips down there. A little screw right there. Screw right there. Pop this off. And there's going to be a screw right here. And then you want to get behind this and take off that little clip from behind here. And the door panel should peel right off. Oh, and another little miscellaneous thing I got was another hand crank for this side right here, because that one's busted. So I got a good one right there. A little oily. Got to clean it up. Alright, so I got out the clip using this little screwdriver. Pretty good little handy tool to have. And you could tell how dirty that is at the people before they sold it. I guess they tried to clean it, and that's years of gunk. So you could tell behind here, this thing was pretty bad. So now it's time to take it off. Let's see. Should be another clip right here. My bad, I'm not even pointing the camera good. Oh shit, another screw right there. Oops. There we go. Bam, out with the old right there. That shit's so dusty. So this is the best time to actually spray some WD-40 all on the door latch inside too. If you're just about to paint the car, do not do this, but it's good too, because this thing actually hangs up sometimes. It works, then it doesn't work. So let's see if it works. And if it doesn't, then I'm gonna be locked in here, because sometimes it doesn't open. I'm also gonna spray some WD-40 in there too, get that nicely lubricated, even though it's not the best lubricant, but it does do the job. Alright, so it actually opens from the inside, and before it didn't open up. Just probably like once a week it opened up from the inside. Great. Alright guys, so I just got done cleaning around a little bit before I put it back on, and it's not gonna be perfect. It'll never be perfect, but just to get some of that dust before. Now it's time to put on the panel and be done with this door. Alright guys, so finally got it in. Panel looks pretty good. Functions good. I'm gonna pop the speaker cover back on. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. I'm not gonna install these screws right there because I am gonna pop it out again, probably a half dozen times to try and fit and refit these speakers, because these things are sometimes a pain. And for people that don't know, these speakers are 5 1/4. People usually get 6-inch, and it's a huge fail. So get 5 1/4. That's what I buy for the Integra, and it's the same, I believe the same part number probably for these buckets right here. So remember that 5 1/4. Well, now I'm gonna pop this on, and then I'm gonna move on to this annoying glass and get the glass all cleaned up. Well, actually, before the windows, I'm gonna clean up all this junk right here and throw away as much stuff. Yeah, this car's filthy, but slowly getting better and more complete. I got really worried because I couldn't find my little mini sledge, and it's right there, and that's what helped me knock out that ring for the sending unit. But yeah, I have it, so that's good. Alright, so I totally forgot that I had this front splash guard. I believe it covers the transmission, or maybe the harmonic balancer, I'm not really sure. One of those, but kind of cool that I have it. So I'm gonna, I already have some nice clips, brand new, and reinstall this in the future. I just need the other side if it has it. Alright, so kind of got everything out. I gotta take this piece out, but it has like those screws right there, so that's gonna allow me to like shake off all this filth and rat debris. But fortunately, surprisingly, the car doesn't really smell, so that's kind of cool. That all it needed was just some fresh sunshine instead of just being in a backyard in the rain and getting weathered on. But yeah, so gonna take off all this, and let's see how much I can take off. Alright, so I'm first gonna use this little Bondo spreader. Get off all the loose stuff first. Actually, I'm gonna wet that down so it's less of a mess. guys, so I'm gonna continue that. It's just nothing but that nasty stuff. So I'm gonna continue it and show you how it looks after. Alright guys, so that was pretty painful, but I got it about 99% good. There's still a little residue right here at the edges that I'm gonna get off right now, but it looks a whole lot better. So yeah, that is not bad at all. I did have to go, unfortunately, with the rusty razor blade, keep it nice and lubricated so I won't scratch the glass. And the glass on the outside is already pretty scratched, but fortunately nothing, no damage on the inside. Now I have the painful task to take off this one, and unfortunately this is going to be a lot worse because this tint didn't really fail as much, where it's like flaking, but it's a lot more intact, which means it's harder to get off. So now I'm going to do this window, and this window in the back, it actually has like some staining right here. Like something stained it right there. And pretty soon I'm going to get the drill, probably like next week I'm going to get the drill and try and polish this glass from the outside and get all the corners and everything, because you could have a junky rusted car, but if your glass is horrible looking, it makes everything else look 10 times worse. Remember that. Alright guys, so squeaky clean glass is only stage 1. Got it pretty good. Now it looks a lot more decent, the car. So clean this glass up pretty nice. This is not that clean, but no tint, and I usually just go after it with some alcohol, any type of alcohol, and that gets it pretty clean, streak free. Then the next step is just to get any residual stuff that's by polishing it. So that's gonna be for next time, but I'm gonna cut the video off right there. This on top of that, and cleaned out the back. Still got to take all the stuff out, but I threw away the trash. Pretty good improvement. If you want to see more videos like this, smash the like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think, and yeah, it's getting there. Alright guys, well, this is just a little continuation of that last video I made. So this is the door panel. Looks pretty good. And the floor mats. Now it's just this door panel that I need to find, and these cheap ass seat covers that look pretty damn good. Windows with the door panel in the back. And that one right there. So this car is looking a little bit better, more and more. It's just little things. Also, one thing I want to mention, it looks like there's blue paint underneath here. A little bit of it is chipping off, and I kind of want to take off this black paint and see if I can get the actual original blue color. If I can get the blue color on these doors, at least fade it, I'm gonna go with matching, blending the blue, and you can see that right here there's matching blue, which is very, very faded. But I'm gonna end up just blending it in. If this looks too burnt, who knows guys, I might go with a $50 paint job and a whole color change, and it's gonna look kind of cool with the color that I'm thinking about.